Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the answer key of OPSC OCS Prelim Mock Test 4, and this mock test has been provided in our website. First go to the website and take the test, then see the answer key through this video. The first question is, the state which have common borders with China are Jammu and Kashmir has a border with China. Sikkim has also a border. Arunachal Pradesh and Himachal Pradesh have also borders with China. Thus, Jammu Kashmir, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh and Himachal Pradesh, all of them have a borders with China. Here answer will be option number D. Option number D is correct one here. Question number 2. The largest populations of scheduled tribe is in which state we can find largest number of scheduled tribes? We can find largest number of scheduled tribe or ST population in Madhya Pradesh. Thus here answer will be B. Question number 2, answer B. Question number 3. Kodai Canal, the famous hill stations of South India, is situated on. Kodai Canal, it is an artificial canal, and it is the famous hill stations of South India is situated on Palni Hills. Kodai Canal is situated on Palni Hills. Option number A is the correct one here. For question number 3, option number A is the correct. Zojila Pass connect which among the following? Zojila Pass connect from Leh to Srinagar. So here options will be D. For question number 4, we have the answer key D. Question number 5. The new alluvial deposit found in the Gangetic Plains are known as. New alluvial deposit found in the Gangetic Plains are known as Khadara. Option number C here is the correct one. Question number 6. Which one of the following is the junction point of Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat? Which of the following is the junction point of the Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat? The junction point of Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat is Nilagiri Hills. Here option number C is the correct one. For question number 6, we have the answer key Nilagiri Hills or option number C. Question number 7. Nanda Devi Peak form a part of Kumaon Himalayas. So here option number B is the correct one. For question number 7, so we have the answer key V. Question number 8. Which one of the following is not a feature of the Indian Constitution? The features of Indian Constitutions are, as you know, written constitution, federalism, judicial review. Here option number C is not a feature of Indian Constitution. Option number C, sovereign parliament is not a feature of Indian Constitution. Question number 9. India has borrowed the concept of fundamental rights from the constitutions of which country? From which country we have borrowed the concept of fundamental rights? From USA we have borrowed fundamental rights. So for question number 9, we have the answer key V. B will be here the answer key. USA. UK. From UK we have borrowed the parliamentary form of government. From Russia, fundamental duties. From Ireland, DPSP. So here answer key will be USA. Let's take question number 10. Which part of the constitution has been described as the soul of the constitution. The soul of the constitution is here right to constitutional remedies, as mentioned by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, describes right to constitutional remedy, Article 32, as the soul of the constitution. For question number 10, we will have the answer key D. Answer key will be here D. D is the correct one. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar described right to constitutional remedies under Article 32 is the soul of the constitution. D. Option number D. Question number 11. Who among the following was not a member of drafting committee of the constitutions of India? Among the following list, who was not a member of the drafting committee? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the chairman of the drafting committee, K.M. Munshi also a member, Krishnaswamy Iyer also a member, but Mahatma Gandhi was not a member of drafting committee. Option number C is the correct one here. Question number 12. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution provide grant in aid? Which article of the Constitutions of India provide grant in aid? Grant in aid in our Constitution is being provided by Article 275. Article 275 provide grant in aid. So here for question number 12, the answer key will be C. C is the right one here. Article 275 provide grant in ads. Question number 13. When did Mrs. Annie Besant join the Theosophical Society? Mrs. Annie Besant joined Theosophical Society in 1889. For question number 13, the answer key will be A. Mrs. Annie Besant is called the founders of the Theosophical Society in India, and he joined the Theosophical Society in 1889. Question number 14. Which among the following was the first revolutionary organizations of Bengal? What is the name of the first revolutionary organizations of Bengal? First revolutionary organizations of Bengal was Anushilana Samiti. Anushilana Samiti was the first revolutionary organizations of Bengal. For question number 14, we have the answer key B. Question number 15. Simon Commission was appointed during which of the following viceroy? Simon Commission was appointed during the viceroyalty of Lord Irwin. Lord Irwin was the viceroy when Simon Commission was appointed in 1927. It came to India in 1928. East India Association was founded by which of the following? East India Association was founded by Dadabhai Naoroji. Dadabhai Naoroji found East India Association. For question number 16, we have the answer key C. C is the right one here. In which years Vande Mataram movement started? Vande Mataram movement started in 1905. It is Swadeshi movement. Swadeshi movement is also known as Vande Mataram movement. So here answer key will be B. B is the right one. Vande Mataram movement started in 1905. 1905 is the right answer here. Question number 8. First Republic Day was celebrated in which of the following? The First Republic Day was being celebrated as our constitutions started functioning. When our constitution started functioning, that was the day of the First Republic Day. So here answer will be C. Option number C. 26 January 1950 is the First Republic Day of our country. Question number 19. The first municipal corporations was set up in which place? First municipal corporations was set up in Madras. In Madras, first municipal corporation was set up. Question number 20. Which of the following scholar deciphered the ancient Brahmi script for the first time? James Princeps here will be the answer, and for question number 20 the answer key will be C. James Princeps deciphers not only Brahmi script but also Kharosthi script. Kharosthi and Brahmin script both are deciphered by James Princeps. First go to our website and let's attend the test first, then watch this video to know the answer key. Thank you. Please subscribe to our channels and share this video with your friends and like our video. Thank you once again.